Today Realme launch Realme X7 series in China, Realme launch Realme X7, Realme X7 Pro, but most important thing, Realme launch under 1000 Chinese yuan 5G phone called Realme V3. Talk about everything in video. Let's get started. In box you get a phone, charger, cable, paperwork or SIM rejector tool and case. In terms of appearance, the back of Realme X7 Pro brings a brand new C-color with a new generation of large logo design. The C-color design lasted 8 months, using the 3+2+1 precision strategy, 3-layer texture, 2-layer coating, and a layer of 0.15mm AG glass to achieve excellent visual effects. The texture and color reach a triple balance, bringing you a comfortable touch and look. In addition, there are two colors of Xingu Black and Fantasy White. It adopts a 360 degrees Fresnel lens design, which can present different colors at different angles. In terms of light and thin design, Realme X7 Pro is only 8.5mm thick and 184 grams heavy. Compared with the previous generation flagship phone, the fingerprint module is 91% thinner, the screen is 29.4% thinner. And the closed-loop line waistline design can also bring a thinner feel. As for the front, it uses a 2.5D flexible straight screen, a front single camera digging process, and a COF packaging process, compared with the hard screen OLED screen. The lower frame is reduced by 10%. Realme X7 Pro screen supports 120Hz high refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, new E3 luminescent material, compared with E2 material brightness increased by 30%. It also has 4096 levels of brightness. In terms of battery life, it is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery and a 65W smart flash charge, which can charge the Realme X7 Pro to 100% in 35 minutes. In terms of video, the Realme X7 Pro is equipped with quad camera setup, 64MP Sony ultra clear wide angle quad camera, using a 64MP main camera plus 8MP ultra wide angle plus 2MP black and white portrait plus 2MP macro 4 camera combination system. The first domestic 64MP multi-frame technology, also has 64MP professional mode, ultra clear night shot 4.0, new night scene filters and other functions. For video, Realme X7 Pro comes with Here comes the super dark video, which can effectively increase the brightness performance by 46% in the extremely dark environment, increase the purity of the picture by 33.7% and increase the signal to noise ratio by nearly 3 decibels. As well as video portrait color retention, 4K 6.0, movie mode, super video anti-shake, open UIS and UIS max video super anti-shake capabilities to Kuisho and other functions. In terms of core configuration, Realme X7 Pro Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, Antutu running score of more than 540,000 points, 360 degrees surround antenna design, support 5G plus 5G dual card dual standby, support Wi-Fi 6, gaming grade BC liquid cooling, Z-axis linear motor, NFC, super linear dual speakers. As for the Realme X7, it has an exclusive Hayu blue color scheme, 8.1mm thickness, 175 grams body weight, 4300 mAh battery, 65W smart flash charging, 33 minutes full charge. In terms of core specifications, Realme X7 has the world's first Dimensity 800U processor, also supports 5G plus 5G dual card dual standby, front 32MP single camera, rear 64MP plus 8MP ultra wide angle plus 2MP macro plus 2MP black and white 4 cameras. Realme also brought the Realme V3, the first 5G mobile phone product that entered the 1000 Chinese yuan range, with a 6.5-inch eye protection screen, a one-piece back cover frame, Starcy blue and moonlight white color options. 5000 mAh battery. In terms of battery life, however, the body only has a thickness of 8.6mm and a weight of 189 grams. The super power saving mode 5% power supports 2 hours of WeChat text chat. The processor is Dimensity 720, which has an Antutu running score of over 300,000 points. The rear 13 million pixel triple camera, support professional movie mode, up to 128GB dual channel UFS 2.1 memory. Now talk about price. The price of Realme X7 for 6GB and 128GB is 1799 Chinese yuan, while for 8GB and 128GB price is 2399 Chinese yuan. The price of Realme X7 Pro for 6GB and 128GB price is 2199 Chinese yuan, for 8GB and 128GB price is 2499 yuan, first sale discount 2399 Chinese yuan, for 8GB and 256GB price is 3199 Chinese yuan. The price of Realme V3 for 6GB and 64GB priced as 999 SNI, for 6GB and 128GB price as 1399 Chinese yuan, and for 8GB and 128GB priced as 1599 Chinese yuan. This is it for this video. See you in next one about ZTE Accent 25G first under display phone video. Till then, bye. This is Yash and you watching the YR.